Hi everyone, happy summer. I'm Ivana Spadafora of Inspired Living 50. Thanks so much for joining me in my outdoor cooking series. I'm really excited about this recipe today because while many people think of putting meat on the grill, maybe even salad, maybe even some fruit, not many people think about putting pasta on the grill, but I am. And today we're making it in a wonderful, herbaceous lemon sauce that's perfect for a hot summer day. I know some people might think pasta will be really heavy for summer, but this is a really light, beautiful recipe. And if you haven't tried grilling pasta ever before, this is the recipe for you. So stick around and let's get to it. You're going to need some stuffed pasta of some kind, either tortellini or ravioli are preferred, any kind of filling that you like. Some freshly blanched asparagus. You don't want to overcook this, you just want it to be, cooked through and al dente. Herbs of your choice in about 4 tablespoons of olive oil, some shaved Parmesan, 2 full lemons, a bit of cream or panna. If you can find this at the store, I highly recommend it. If not, you can just use some cream and cook it down. It'll work as well too. And some fresh onion, long green onion for decor. Okay, let's get to it. Need to invest in something called a coquina. I'm sure some people have heard of it. It's fantastic for grilling pasta because what will happen is the pasta won't go through the grill. It will actually just sit on the coquina here and allow you to grill it beautifully and get some nice sear marks without drying it. And the other thing I want to mention with the pasta here, you want to be sure that you reserve it in some of the water, okay? Because again, the pasta can have a tendency to get dry on a grill. So first things first, what we want to do is spray our lemon with a little bit of olive oil spray and get this going on the grill right away. These beautiful lemons off the grill, which are just cooling down, and we're going to take our pasta and we're just literally going to spill it right onto the coquina here. And we're just going to let it grill. We're going to watch this a little bit and pay attention to it. And as that's grilling away, we've got some of our cream gently on the lowest setting possible, just warming up here. Beautiful grill. Look at how much juice comes out of that when you grill that lemon. And I can't even begin to explain to you how incredibly flavorful and delicious that lemon is. I'm getting all the yumminess out of it. They've cooled down so it's not burning my hand. Here's our panna and the beautiful herb mixture that we made earlier. We're just going to add that in. Have you ever seen grilled pasta, folks? You have now. I'm just going to quickly turn these babies over. Our asparagus has been lightly grilled. Our sauce is ready to go. We are ready to plate and bring this all together. There you have it, folks. Gorgeous, beautiful tortellini with a summer lemon herbaceous sauce. It's absolutely delicious, and we can't forget those asparagus as well. So enjoy, everyone. Cheers and happy summer. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please don't forget to like, follow, share. I'm at inspiredliving50.com. That's www.inspiredliving50.com. My YouTube channel, Inspired Living 50, or on Instagram at evaspad. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, that you like it, and that you try it out yourselves. Happy summer, everyone.